All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The folks over at Tudia sent over the Merge Grip. This is a case that it's just made them popular. The Tudia Merge was their go-to, but when they brought out the Merge Grip, I mean, it set it off for everybody. Everybody just fell in love with this case, and I can see why. It's a phenomenal feeling case. But we'll go ahead and start with this purple looking color here. Now remember, these are like two-piece cases, but you don't really need to take them apart, but they are two-piece cases. In this case, obviously I want to show you this area here where you can use the magnetic cases and everything like that to attach things. I'll grab something with MagSafe, like a little battery pack or something so you can see. So first I'll put it on the device to show you that it's not gonna hold good at all. But then when I put it in this case, there you go. You can see it holds just fine. This is one of my favorite battery chargers too. But yeah, man, this is a pretty strong magnet too. But nonetheless, here's the case right here, and this is again this deep purple color that they have here, and they have different colors, but this one is it for now. I want to show you the black one here. Now, of these two, since I went with the titanium black, I could use either one of them. But some people are going to say, oh, you should just use it with this. It's more sleek and subtle. But sometimes flaring it up with some color and stuff like that definitely helps. Make sure this area is cut out at the top up here, because that's where the microphones are. And you got your cameras open right here, nice and open. You got your button here. I need to set up a fingerprint reader. But you got your layout like this for the volume and the power button, and they both work really, really well. No problems whatsoever. And then on the bottom here, you have quick access to your S Pen. You've got that speaker, charging port, and another microphone down there. And then obviously it's got lots of lip protection around the entire device. So there you have it, man. I mean, they have definitely done their due diligence by bringing out some the Merge Grip over and over again with different devices, and it's a working thing. It actually is one of the best cases that are on the market today, and it's very affordable too. That's the thing. When you're buying cases, you don't have to spend $80 on a case. You know, you just don't have to. You can save a ton of money by going with something that's going to give you the protection you need. And still look really good on your very expensive device. This is your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Shout out to Tudia for this one. Thank you.